The cocktail maker is your personal bartender, allowing you to create bar-quality drinks at home with ease. Simply insert a cocktail capsule, choose your preferred strength, and press mix. In seconds, enjoy a perfectly crafted cocktail. With a variety of recipes and customizable options, it's the perfect tool for effortless entertaining. 21 plus, please drink responsibly. There are many different types of cocktail maker, each with special benefits, features, and prices. To help make right decisions, I did a lot of research and will be found the best cocktail maker that people like you can benefit greatly from these products. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video with patience. Number 5. Bev by Black Plus Decker Cocktail Maker Machine. Elevate your home bar experience with the BEV by Black Plus Decker Cocktail Maker Machine, model BEHB 101. A stylish, smart solution for crafting delicious cocktails in seconds. Designed for use with Bartesian capsules asterisk, this innovative drink maker lets you create mixologist quality cocktails in just 3 steps. Insert the capsule, select your preferred drink strength, and press mix. With 40+ cocktail options available, each capsule is made with real juices, bitters, and extracts for an authentic taste. Easily customize your drink from mocktail to strong with a twist of a dial. The Easy Load liquor system connects directly to 5 standard 750 ml bottles: vodka, tequila, whiskey, gin, and rum, so you can enjoy or display your favorite brands. Want a sleek, uniform look? Use compatible bottles or our matching 5 pk glass dispensers, sold separately. Self-rinsing and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup effortless. 21 plus, please drink responsibly. Cheers to effortless entertaining. Number 4. Cordless Cocktail Making Machine. Upgrade your gatherings with the Cordless Cocktail Making Machine, a capsule-free, smart drink solution designed for effortless mixing anywhere, anytime. With smart voice control, just say, "Hey waiter, make your favorite cocktail," and enjoy a perfectly crafted drink in seconds. Prefer buttons? You've got that too. Ideal for outdoor events or noisier environments. Featuring 170+ preset recipes and full customization, this machine works with a variety of mixers like cola, soda water, juices, and syrups. Thanks to 5 beverage combinations and intuitive toggling, you can explore endless flavors without capsules. Built for portability, its rechargeable lithium battery offers over 24 hours of runtime, making it perfect for beach days, family picnics, or backyard parties. The pneumatic dispensing system preserves flavor while keeping cleanup simple, no sticky residue. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy with quiet operation, this machine brings bar-quality cocktails to any location. 21 plus, please drink responsibly. Number 3. Bartesian Cocktail Making Machine. Experience bar-quality cocktails at home with the Bartesian Cocktail Making Machine, the ultimate in intelligent cocktail creation. Simply insert a capsule, select your preferred strength, and press mix. The machine automatically draws the right spirit from its reservoirs and crafts your drink in seconds. No measuring, no mess. Created by expert mixologists, Bartesian capsules deliver premium cocktails like margaritas, old fashions, martinis, and daiquiris using real juices, bitters, and extracts. With freshness-dated, recyclable capsules, every drink tastes like it was made by a pro. Enjoy a wide variety without complexity. No need to stock countless mixers or syrups. Just keep your favorite vodka, tequila, rum, gin, or whiskey on hand. The easy clean design includes an automatic rinse after each use, a manual cleaning cycle, and dishwasher-safe parts. For best results, ensure the machine is level and properly assembled. 21 plus, please drink responsibly. Your personal mixologist awaits. Just push a button. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Bev by Black Plus Decker Cordless Cocktail Maker. Take the party anywhere with the Black Plus Decker Bev Cordless Cocktail Maker, BCHB 101. A portable powerhouse designed for Bartesian capsules asterisk asterisk. With a built-in rechargeable battery, you can mix cocktails without being tied to an outlet. Perfect for patios, tailgates, and outdoor gatherings. Prefer to stay plugged in? Use the included AC cord for counter or bar cart use. The battery even charges while plugged in and delivers over 250 drinks per charge asterisk asterisk. Create delicious cocktails in seconds. Just insert a capsule, select your strength, mocktail, light, regular, or strong, and press mix. With 50+ cocktails available, each capsule is made with real juices, bitters, and extracts for premium flavor. Turn up the vibe with enhanced party mode, featuring colorful lights under the bottles and display to match your mood or decor. Stylish, smart, and cordless, this cocktail maker is your go-to for effortless entertaining, anytime, anywhere. 21+, please drink responsibly. Number 1. Bartesian 24-pack Whiskey Lovers Mixer Capsules for Cocktail Machine. Elevate your home bar experience with the Bartesian 24-pack Whiskey Lovers Mixer Capsules, designed for use with the Bartesian Cocktail Drink Maker Machine. Crafted by master mixologists, each capsule is expertly measured to deliver the perfect balance of flavor and complexity in every pour. Whether you're a seasoned whiskey enthusiast or a casual drinker, these capsules provide a premium cocktail experience without the hassle of mixing. The 24-pack of freshness-dated capsules contains real juice concentrates, bitters, and extracts, ensuring bar-quality cocktails at home with the freshest ingredients. Please note, the capsules do not contain alcohol. Create delicious cocktails in seconds. Simply insert a capsule, choose your strength, mocktail, light, regular, or strong, and press mix. The Bartesian machine does the rest, saving you time and effort while delivering the perfect pour every time. With an ever-expanding selection, Bartesian ensures you'll never run out of exciting options to enjoy. 21+, please drink responsibly. All I want to say is that I make helpful videos daily. Please do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, so do check out link the my description box for each product mentioned. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.